Hey sweets, welcome back. Filmed it too. But due to unavoidable situations and lack of time, I just couldn't sit down and edit the video and upload it in time. But finally, late he sahi, but then I got through editing and I'm ready to upload it. So here guys, I'm ready with my puja area decor for you all. Hope you all like it. And if you really like it, don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button, and also do share and comment. Hugs and kisses all of you. Now enjoy. So friends, as you can see, this is my little wooden mandir which I plan to paint into a teal shade. But before painting it with the teal blue, first I'll paint it with a coat of white. I have used Nerolac white oil paint here. So finally, when it was painted, this is how it looked, and I'm loving it. So my mandir is ready now, and I'll be placing all my brass idols and other stuff inside it presently. Here you can see me. I'm placing my Lakshmi Narayan idol along with their Singhasan. Both are made of brass. On the left, I'm putting my brass kalash and amrapallav. This is again a brass trunk, and inside it I keep all my kauri collection. These are shells, and we keep it as a symbol of Lakshmi. I'll place the trunk on the right side of my Lakshmi Narayan. This is my silver Shivling, complete with Basuki Nag, Trishul and Damru. This belongs to my mom actually, and now I have them with me. And I have placed them on a copper platter. I'll place it on the right front of the mandir, as my mother gives water on Shivling each morning, so it will be easy for her to access. And now this is my brass Ganesha, and I placed it in the front. And this is a beautiful pearl mala that I have, and I'll be putting it on my Lakshmi Narayan idol. And this beautiful incense stick burner that you have seen me painting on my previous video, I'll place it on the front platform. So this is how my mandir looks after I placed everything in it, complete with my brass collection. This is a trunk, a very old trunk that I owned from my college days. I got it painted in red, in a vibrant red color, and onto it I'll be making a little setup. Now I'll arrange and fix some LED lights just to brighten up the area and enhance the overall look. I wanted a table arrangement for Diwali. So what I did is I took a plate, a very old plate that I had with me, and spray painted it in gold. And I got a mirror. I got a mirror cut up and fixed within the plate, on the center of the plate. And now I'll do a little bit of decor onto it. First, I'm removing the extra paint marks that I got onto the mirror while spray painting it using some thinner. These are the laces that I got to decorate it, along with some rhinestone strings and some fabric stones. I'll now be sticking the rhinestone string onto the edge of the mirror with a lot of precision using some Fevicol and a painting brush, a very fine bristle painting brush. So this is how it is looking now after I've glued the rhinestone strings in place. Now, as you can see, I'm very strategically placing and sticking the fabric stones onto the side wall of the plate. So this is how the plate was looking after I was finally done gluing those stones. And now the final reveal.
Nandini Nandita Vedini Vishwavinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindhya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute. रिपुगजगण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुजगण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुर विचार धुरीन महाशिव दूत कृत प्रमदाधिपते दुरित
Hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, do let me know. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.
शैलसुते